Today we have got a new guest. That is he. He is one of my cousin. He doesn't know English. He can't talk in English, but he will try to talk to me in English, and I can talk in English. I am little bit fluent. So this interview is gonna be completely natural and spontaneous. So let's start it. What's your name?
I am Dilkas Rahim.
Where do you live?
I live in Ikra.
What do you do?
I read in. I read in. I can read.
I said, what do you do?
I can. No, no.
Do you understand me?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
just I said?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
said, what do you do? Means, what's your profession? What work you do?
I work in study and work. कोई भी any work.
Means you study.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to say you are unemployed. You are berojgar. Are you employed?
No, no. I am no employed.
Okay. How much money do you earn on regular basis?
Nothing money.
No money.
No.
Okay. No money means no honey. What? Okay. So, do you want to learn English?
Yeah, I am practice than English because not speaking English. Speaking English anybody.
Means anybody can speak English according to you. Am I
No.
right?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay. So, but you never practiced, right? You never learned English, but you can talk in English. It is really great. I am able to understand you.
Yeah, of course, but I am speak English.
हाँ.
हटो यार.
अरे अरे बैठो ना रे बैठन रे अच्छा बोल रहे कहता अरे हाँ ना रे हाँ अच्छा बोल रहे सच में आ जा हाँ काटी दो यार काटी दो
पहले तो बेटा बता की पूछ रहा था हम समझ में नहीं कर लो कुछ.
तो हम हिंदी में बता दें तो बोल भी तब नहीं आई सैड यू नेवर प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश बिफोर मीन्स तुम कभी पहले इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए येट यू आर एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश मतलब फिर भी तुम इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो ठीक ठाक सो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट इट मतलब ऐसा बोलकर कैसा महसूस हो रहा है आपको
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इंग्लिश बोलने में.
इंग्लिश व्हाट द हेक यू आर डूइंग मैन यू नीड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश in broken English it's completely fine we just need to be confident in front of camera don't worry about what people like how will people perceive you okay just forget about it कि चार लोग क्या सोचेंगे
I speak English any nothing nothing more nothing. Try. I can read English I can read English 1 2 3 4 5 6 standard class English medium
okay
and 9th 10th 12th in Hindi medium.
okay
I can reason in this English not speaking in Hindi medium and English medium.
good amazing at least I got you mean कि क्लास 7-8 क्लास तक तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ सकते हो 6 की 7 बोले है ना उसके बाद इंग्लिश मीडियम
No, I can speak then. I can speak. I mean, my class standard CBSE board 6th class
okay
and 7th 9th 10th in Hindi medium.
okay
I can इसलिए confidently मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता अभी.
okay means up to class 6 or 7 you were in CBSE medium CBSE board with
Yeah.
Hindi with English medium right
Yeah.
and after that you entered in Hindi medium means you have done your board in Hindi medium right
Yeah.
class 8 9 3 वो सब हिंदी medium में क्या है ना
Yeah.
so when you were in English medium like at that time how amazing your English was मतलब जब तुम English medium में थे पहले तो उस टाइम आपका English कैसा था
तभी मेरा इंग्लिश उतना भी अच्छा नहीं था.
in English
You are not speaking to good English.
okay
But इंग्लिश बस इंग्लिश को मैं समझ लेता था.
okay means you could understand but you were not able to
हाँ,
speak.
you could understand English understand,
okay. Let me tell you
but
he
not speak English. But not speak English.
okay
You can
let me tell you, he has been a white guy. Means you can see he's a white kind of, like Britishers or Americans, white Americans. So people call him an अंग्रेज, right? मतलब सबको तुमको अंग्रेज बोलता था यहाँ पे, है ना?
No, Nepali.
हाँ, Nepali means very similar to अंग्रेज, that is. So we used to call him अंग्रेज, but recently he transformed himself into an Indian guy. But okay, means you were kind of अंग्रेज. पहले तुम अंग्रेज हुआ करते थे, means गोरा चिट्टा, and yet you are not able to speak English. फिर भी आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते हो, कैसे? Means for how long you have been in Britain? मतलब अंग्रेजों के साथ आप कब तक रहे थे, कितना देर तक?
Nobody in English, English man, only Hindi man. I am Indian from India,
Okay.
not English man.
Okay.
Don't talk me वापस.
Okay, by the way, speaking of अंग्रेज, English man, how much money did you loot from India? Means कितना लूटे थे आप इंडिया से?
I warranty. No.
I warn you.
I warn you.
हाँ,
I am not Englishman.
हाँ,
I am Indian from India, not a Englishman. मुझे दोषी मत करार करो. मैं भारत से कुछ लूट के लिए गया हूँ यहाँ से, नहीं तो उठा के.
Hey man, come here. Where are you going? Come here, sit. It's going really great. And okay, let me show you one thing. Sit. Listen, when you speak, when you do something that is not in your comfort zone, okay, like talking to camera, recording yourself in front of camera, for the first time, it is really not comfortable for you. You are not able to go conveniently and comfortably with that. That's why he starts sweating. Even I am sweating a little bit. If we were sitting without, means we haven't started our recording, I guess we won't sweat. But we are doing some kind of job that is not comfortable for us. That's why we are sweating. And that's how you can become confident if you continue recording and uploading. So do you want me to upload this video on my channel? मतलब क्या चाहते हो कि मैं इस वीडियो को अपलोड कर दूं?
आपकी मर्जी.
Okay, means it is my wish. It's up to me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. People will appreciate your English because you have spoken really great English, even though you have never practiced, you have never taken any lesson. मतलब कभी क्लास नहीं किए, कभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए, but whatever you said, at least it was understandable. मतलब समझने का लायक था वो.
I can talk. I already can talk to you. I am standard CBSE board 1 to 6 5th class.
Okay.
And so I can speak English, and grammar person is a very talent. Grammar is पढ़ा हूँ,
हाँ.
इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश अभी थोड़ा बोल लेता हूँ, समझ लेता हूँ.
Okay.
नहीं तो अगर मैं सीबीएसई बोर्ड से पढ़ता तो मैं भी अच्छा खासा इंग्लिश अभी बोलना सीख लेता.
Okay. If you get a chance to learn English, will you learn? मतलब अगर मौका मिलता है आगे इंग्लिश सीखने का, तो इंग्लिश स्पोकन सीखने का, तो आप सीखोगे?
ये तो हो नहीं सकता. इतना भी अब दिलचस्पी नहीं इंग्लिश
For
सीखने में.
example, I am learning, right? I am learning. So if you ever feel to enhance your speaking English, will you take my help or will you join me?
Yeah.
You will, right?
Yeah. Do it.
Okay. So that's it for today, and we have really deep dive into his English journey, and it has been really great and fantastic. So tell my viewer to subscribe to my channel and like this video.
प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अच्छा से अच्छा शेयर करें और लाइक भी करें. कमेंट करना नहीं भूलिएगा. पर
अच्छा से अच्छा शेयर करें, अच्छा से अच्छा कमेंट करें.
जैसी आपकी मर्जी, अच्छे से कमेंट करें या फिर अच्छे से सब्सक्राइब करें. जैसी आपकी मर्जी, जो करना आप कीजिए, पर सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिएगा, शेयर करना भी नहीं भूलिएगा. चलिए ठीक है, बाय बाय, टाटा, सी यू अगेन.